Weather and climate are important ideas in geography. Many people think they mean the same thing, but in science they describe different things. Understanding this difference helps us understand Earth. Weather happens inside Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere is the layer of gases around our planet. Most weather events occur in the lowest layer. This layer is called the troposphere. Weather describes the current condition of the atmosphere. It tells us what the air is like right now. Weather can change quickly during the day. It is usually measured over short periods of time. Weather includes several important elements. These include temperature, wind, and precipitation. Clouds and air pressure also affect weather. Meteorologists study these elements carefully. Weather can change within hours or minutes. A sunny day can suddenly become rainy. Cold winds can appear quickly. This is why weather forecasts are important. Scientists use satellites and instruments to predict weather. They observe clouds, wind patterns, and air pressure. These tools help meteorologists make forecasts. Forecasts help people prepare for storms. Climate describes the long-term weather patterns of a region. Scientists study climate over many years. It tells us what the weather is usually like. Climate does not change quickly. Climate is based on data collected over decades. Scientists analyze average temperature and rainfall. These patterns define a region's climate. Different places have different climates. Earth has several climate zones. Tropical regions are warm and humid. Desert climates are dry and hot. Polar regions are extremely cold. Climate is strongly connected to geography. Mountains, oceans, and latitude influence climate. These factors affect temperature and rainfall. They help shape regional environments. Climate affects plants, animals, and ecosystems. Different climates create different habitats. Human cultures also adapt to climate conditions. Agriculture depends heavily on climate. Weather describes short-term atmospheric conditions. Climate describes long-term patterns. Weather can change daily. Climate usually remains stable for many years. Today, it might rain in a desert, but deserts still have dry climates. One rainy day does not change the climate. Climate is based on long-term averages. Understanding weather helps us plan daily life. Climate helps us understand Earth's environment. Scientists also study climate change. Both ideas are essential in geography. Weather describes what happens now. Climate describes what usually happens. Both are important scientific concepts. Together, they help explain Earth's systems. Which term describes long-term weather patterns? A. Weather. B. Wind. C. Climate. D. Storm.